Hi, my name is Agnes and I'm working as application engineer at MVTec. Currently, we are standing in front of the Continual Learning demonstration. In this demonstration, we show the deep learning classification models can be continually expanded, both in response to changing production processes and completely new object classes. There are 4 special points shown by this demonstration. First, flexibility, which means the new object classes can be retrained in seconds without forgetting about the knowledge of the current classes. Also, it can be done directly on the device. Second, we only need 5 to 15 images to retrain, which makes it fast and easy to use. Third, it's hardware friendly. It is edge learning with short execution time, even on low performance hardware. This means you don't need a big PC anymore, no TPU, and it can also be done on an embedded device. And third, it's versatile. It can be combined with other deep learning methods, like out-of-distribution detection, for example. We do have a classification model with the classes A and B, the big and the small square-shaped integrated circuit boards. But now we have a change in the production, and we have a rectangular IC as well. In the first step, we run our application and have a look at the out-of-distribution score. For the rectangular shaped ones, it's higher. And we automatically write out the images to our disk to retrain them. In the second step, we extend the model with our images we wrote out to the disk before. And in the third step, you can now read all of the classes. As you can see with the out-of-distribution score, it's green now for all of the classes, even the rectangular shaped ones. And now you can see how fast it can run, even as we are using a common laptop with only a CPU. There's an inference time with around 28 to 30 milliseconds. How does this help in your deep learning application? Changing lighting conditions, changing process parameters, and a product variation do not have to be retrained with a high time consumption on an external PC. Now, a quick adaptation on the machine in the production is possible. Data and model can stay on the edge device. And with obsolete GPU server, the application can get less expensive. Continual learning keeps classification flexible, even when production changes.